Welcome back. This is our Powerwise charger board. Your charger getting AC power, your batteries in your EZGO are fully charged, but your charger's still not coming on. More than likely, this is the culprit. It comes with easy to follow instructions. It's easy to hook up. It replaces the two boards that's in your original charger. The front board, you'll just disconnect it, tie the wires up, and tuck them out of the way. The bottom board that's laying horizontal will be replaced with this one. The wires will hook up exactly the same. Your green, your black, and then your white. Your red here will go to the heat sink board in the front of the charger, and the black wire will go over the transformer and plug into the red wire that comes out of your AC cord. And that is our Powerwise charger board. Thanks for watching.